Hello, Reddit virtual reality community. I saw the post here on, study with VR. And, I thought it would be a good time to try to show this prototype that I'm working on, where it's basically what I'm aiming for is a Windows VR shell. So the idea is you'd be able to use your Windows machine completely in VR and yeah, and it would be with mouse and keyboard, no VR controllers required. Currently you can't actually see the mouse and keyboard in VR. That would be nice, but I've been working pretty hard on perfecting just being able to use Windows in its entirety, and without any hiccups, and have it be smooth, and trying to see exactly where the limitations are. But yeah, this is a project I've been working on, and just seemed like a good opportunity to get some feedback. If been doing this for myself, but hey, maybe others would actually like something like this. So these are the windows I currently have open. I have Discord to my right. I have my Writer IDE over there, which is what I'm actually using to develop this with. And Chrome over here. I started OBS here. That's actually my desktop without the background showing, but you can see the taskbar on the bottom. Slack, and Windows Explorer. So right now the idea is you can hold Control and you can pan around all these windows, and you can move around to whatever window you want. You can zoom out, you can zoom in. You can change even the landscape that you're in, but there's no such feature like that right now. So all that said, I can show here. We can move my mouse on this window, and I can go here. I can scroll. I can, type. I'll say, hey, I've actually been working on a project. Oh, buggy. Project like this to be able to use your entire Windows machine in VR with mouse and keyboard. But yeah, I'll probably upload this video to YouTube and then make a post like this and get feedback. There's definitely a lot to work on and make this smooth. But the idea is you can at least transition between window to window. Here we are, my Discord. I can completely scroll and navigate. I can go to settings, see my friends. I can type messages. It's hard to see. Let me zoom in here and then go back and, do all that jazz. Same thing with the Writer IDE. And, if the question's like, oh, well, how do you open a new window? I could go here technically and open the window. Let's say I'll type in Notepad, hit enter, and there's my Notepad. So did we actually get Control back in here? We did. So there's a lot of optimizations to do, I think, to make this viable. I think we're still good. I might have lost. No, did I? Let me see. I might have lost my VR mouse. I'm not sure. So I don't see it. Oh no, it's just all the way to the left. So yeah, some fine tuning like that. As you can see, why did my VR mouse go all the way to the left? But, hey, here's Notepad. It did open up, and we can, type, can we? Yeah. We can type in Notepad. As you can see. Now, obviously, the experience is, aside from the software and how well it's made, and, hey, there's VROS. There's the Steam VR. So, aside from the software and how well I make it and how usable it is and how smooth it is, your VR headset, how good it is, the resolution, how comfortable it is for you to wear, prolonged is also going to be a limiting factor for something like this. But you're not, I think a lot of other products limit you to like a desktop space, and oh, believe me, that's so much easier to do if you just mirror your desktop and, maybe fake mirroring more desktops. But this is every window gets its own little, technically desktop space. I mean, I don't know I haven't really thought about how else to phrase that, but I mean, essentially, yeah, every window here is getting its own little space, and there's no way to move these around. Obviously, that would be a nice feature that I'd work on once I feel like I've perfected the base stuff. But yeah, I guess I'll leave it at that. I could try to break it. Let's see if I can break it while I'm here. Let's see if this works. So, well, let's see if I go here and let's try to take control of this IDE. Right, so the green border shows that I've controlled this, and now let's see if I try to go to like, I don't know, build. Okay, so this is still working. So this is actually tricky to do, actually show menus like this. There's been a lot of interesting things to get this to work. Anyways, I'll spare you guys the details, but getting this to work smoothly and hiccup-free is definitely a lot of work, but I thought I'd share it since the post was relevant. Let me know what you guys think and if my efforts are in vain or, if they're worth it. Now let's see if I can actually stop this recording here. I haven't really used this. I've just been developing, so let's see. Yep.